It is time to decorate your home for Halloween, and Vianai Austin, marketing assistant for 99 cents only stores, is here to help us decorate on a budget. Great to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you for having me.
So you guys have a whole assortment of Halloween decorations, right?
Yes, we do. We have pretty much everything you can find on the table. We have a lot more creepy things if you want to go more haunted and spooky. We even have elegant stuff like black and gold colors.
Oh.
So it really on what kind of celebration you want to have.
What are some of the things you have here on the table?
So I went with more of a candy witch theme, and I added some spider webs to make it a little bit more spooky but still pretty colorful, and then just added little small decorations like this tree, the skulls, the hats, what else do we have?
We got all kinds of things.
Yeah, we put a little bit of everything together.
I love it. And when it comes to costumes and just costumes and party favors, I'm just like overwhelmed by everything that's on the table, all the colors, so I'm just so excited. But what do you have for party favors?
So I made these awesome glove treat bags.
Oh,
they look like hands.
Fingers.
Yeah,
look at that.
I feel like a lot of people would get a kick out of these, and they're super easy to make.
Yeah.
Under $5. All you have to do is just kind of put the candy and the little bag together. But I thought it was a really cool party favor. You can even make treat bags with the kids, little buckets, depending on what they want to do.
And I'm assuming the prices are fantastic, right?
Yes, definitely. You can find all your favorite candy, little tiny. We already have treat bags that come together that are really themed. You can get skulls, eyeballs,
nice,
whatever you like. We have all kinds of assortment.
And you do have costumes, right?
Yes, we do. We have masks, we have witch hats. Actually, this is a little accessory I use as a table, but you can even wear it as a little hat.
Oh, nice. Let me try this. Let's see if we can get this to work here.
You just stick it
Something
in.
like
there
that.
You go. Yeah.
How's that look? That's good?
That's perfect.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, this is very exciting, and you have so many store locations, right?
Yes. In Phoenix here, we have 19 specifically, so you can get to the store and find a whole bunch of stuff for your next party.
That's awesome. Okay, so I'm just kind of scanning here.
Yes.
I'm looking for what else you might have on the table. I see you have lots of bugs and spiders, and even one in my pocket. Look at that. Where did that come from? Where did that come from? So this is fun. So people can just come into the 99 cent stores and they can go to town.
Yes,
and where can they find all the locations?
At 99.com, it'll show you wherever, depending on your location, you can find a store near you.
Do the 99.com.
Yes.
I'm keeping this hat if you don't mind.
As you should.